from.
Never been adjusted?
No.
Where are you coming in from?
New York City.
Alright, so you guys travel a little bit here?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you feeling? Like right now, what bothers you the most?
Up here.
Yep.
Lower back. This side's starting to tingle right now.
Okay.
The feet hurt a little bit, like under the feet. It's not really the ankles, like under the feet.
Gotcha.
That's about it.
Okay. Any issues with movement, range of motion?
Not really. Just like soreness.
Okay.
I guess from the shoulders hurting.
Okay. No like shooting pains, nothing like that. Okay. Just tightness, soreness, things like that. Okay. Not too bad. A little bit shorter on the right leg than the left, but not bad at all. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with this. Alright, this one. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Let me have you sit up on the table. Bring one leg on each side for me. Sit fine though, sit fine.
Oh, sit up. Ooh.
So now question though. How'd that first one feel?
Felt good.
Both you guys screamed, I'm dying of laughter, like.
I'm so sorry.
That was great. Okay. Bring your arms up like that. Yep.
It's getting there. It's right there, painted.
You can relax your arms. Those moves really well.
Man, right there, it's right inside.
Yeah, them first two, those moved great. There's a couple in the thoracic, it was like your body was fighting me a little bit, but yeah, them two just down. Go face down again for me. Alright, so I'm going to stabilize on your sacrum here. I want you to raise your right leg up for me, as high as you can. Any pain with that?
No.
Good. And relax that leg. And the left one for me. Any pain with that one?
Oh, tight with my right here.
Alright, so some tightness on the left side. So what I'm going to have you do, I want you to cross your left foot over your right foot. So you can do it right at the ankle, actually. Yeah, like that. So what that's telling me is your sacrum, that apex of that sacrum, is rotated just a little bit off towards the right. So I'm going to do some drops. We're going to drop it down, and we're going to put that clockwise torque on it just to bring it back to midline. Raise that leg up again.
Woo!
How'd that feel?
Beautiful.
Good. Alright, flip onto your back for me this time.
He looks so happy. He better be in his life.
There we go. Not too bad, huh?
Happy sit up.
Alright, deep breath in and out. Okay, so I want you to have your knees in the front of the table here. So I'll have you slide down for me. Good. And then you can let your arms just rest. So that way we're gonna pull. Yeah, perfect. All that through. Good.
Woo!
What did you feel?
Oh, my back is tingling. I think I'm asleep.
You good?
Yeah.
Come on up, I got you.
Maybe.
Don't worry, I'll edit that out. You good, you good. Yeah, let me have you stand up. How do you feel?
Excellent.
You feel looser?
The pain's going.
Nice.
Not too bad, right?
Not too bad at all.
Because I know for you, well, this is first time.
First time.
Ever.
First time, yeah. Very first time ever.
There we go. That's how you need to be feeling all the time.
Yes.